Today I'm going to show you how to use skin mockup for iPhone 17 Pro Max. Here is the file on my desktop. I just want to double tap on this file to open in a Photoshop, right? It's really easy and quick way to change and showcase your product to the customer, right? So if you want to change the color for this iPhone, you can do it too. You can see the first layer called design. You have to just double tap on it and just delete this file. You have to just double tap on it. You can see the blue color. You have to just double tap on it and change color to whatever you like. I'm gonna do it purple. Okay, and click Command plus S on Mac to save the file. You can see it looks really good, right? If you want to change this color to the pattern, convert it to the pattern, you can do it too. I already pre-installed from the Google designs. You can see right here I have one of the right here. I just wanna drag in the Photoshop and all the way to cover this box right here. Just double tap on it, right? And on the Windows you have an Alt key, and on the Mac you have an Option key to clipping mask. Right here, Option key and right click from the mouse, right? And Command plus S from the Mac to save the file. There you go. You can see the design and the pattern of the iPhone 17 Pro. It's changed, right? You can use a different one. If you want me to try, I can do it too. Right here, drag one of the file. You have to delete previous one first. Just drag all the way right here. Just double tap and Option key from the Mac, Alt key from the Windows, right click from the mouse, Command plus S to save. Right here, it really looks good, right? If you want to showcase your product to the customer, you can do it too. I give a link in the description to download this Mockup PSD file. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you like this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more latest updates.